Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm back with another quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Slimline Twisty frame die. This is a great addition to the Whimsy Stamps Slimline collection. This die is amazing. Wait until I show you all the things that you could do with this die. This is a 9-piece die set and you get this big twisty frame that measures 8.5 by 3.25 inches. You also get this long die for the sides so that you can put different colors if you wanted to. You get the shorter die to do the sides of the frame as well if you wanted to make different colors underneath it. And then you get this die which makes 4 big circles. You get a smaller one that makes 4 smaller circles. You get this one that has hearts it cuts out, and this one has stars that it cuts out, and then you have ones that cut out candy canes, which is really cool, seasonal. You can make Christmas, and then this one you can make a fun card with exclamation points and question marks. Okay, I'm going to cut them out so you can see how versatile each of these dies really are. First, you get the border frame and it cuts out all the little slots on the edges, and you get this middle piece that cuts out as well. These are the long die frames and the short one that you get, and you could change the colors and they go underneath the border frame die, so you could change the colors out and make whatever color you want. It also cuts out these little slots that you could change the colors if you want to and make it like every other one a different color. So I just want to show you how interchangeable all the little dies are. You can use the big black circles on the corners in different colors if you wanted to. You can take the heart cut out in a different color and you could put it over the black circles. Or you can leave the black circle and put a different color heart over it. You can put the 4 small circles if you want to. You can put the cutout of the candy canes if you want to, or you can use just the candy canes if you want in the corners. So each of these dies you can use the cutouts, or you can just use the frames of the cutout. And you can change them to any color that you like. So the possibilities with this set is actually endless because you can just keep changing the colors. You can use 2 different ones. You could use hearts and stars together. It really doesn't matter. Here's a card I made for you using the Slimline Twisty frame, and I used an orange and black theme with the black circles because I wanted it to have a Halloween theme. And I paired it up with the Pumpkin Spice Panda stamp set and the Fadoodle stamp set. And that completes my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release, and don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and great inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.